Falcons, and welcome to the Early Bird Show. Today is Friday, August 27th, 2021.
Please stand for the pledge to the flags. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to the Texas, one state under God, one and indivisible.
Please join us for a moment of silence.
Thank you, and please have a seat.
Now for today's weather. Today in Carrollton, it's going to be clear and sunny with a high of 91 and a low of 77. Oh, what a beautiful Friday.
Yeah.
It's going to be nice.
Today in history, in 1916, Italy declares war on Germany. What?
I know, right? In the headlines, Lego works to make bricks from recycled plastic. The Lego group has been working hard to find a new way to make Lego bricks out of recycled water bottles and just plastic in general. The bricks aren't quite ready yet, but the company says it's making progress. Making the bricks from recycled plastics could cut pollution from the company's bricks.
What?
I know, it's so cool.
I know. I did not even know. Now introducing our new featured teacher, Miss Farmer.
Welcome, Ms. Farmer, and thank you for joining us today.
Thank you.
Can you tell us about yourself?
I'm originally from California. This is my first year. I just moved here to Texas in July, so I'm happy to be here. My first year teaching at Indian Creek.
Can you tell us what is your favorite ice cream?
I love chocolate. I'd have to say cookies and cream since I love to eat Oreos.
Oh, what do you do for fun and like enjoyment?
I like to go to the lake. I like to fish, and I like to hike.
Fun.
What's your favorite genre of books for you to enjoy?
I really don't have a favorite. I like to read about everything.
Really?
Reading is my yes.
Alright. Also, what do you teach?
I teach. I'm a big teacher here at Indian Creek, special ed grades 3 through 5.
Oh, dang. Alright, thank you for joining us.
Thank you.
Today's fun fact is the hummingbird. To hover, hummingbirds may beat their wings up to 20 times per second.
Now for the joke of the day.
What?
I'm sorry, we have to interrupt this because we have the giggles today. Now for the joke of the day. Why do people say break a leg? Get off the stage. I don't know, Miss Ashley. Why? Because every play has a cast.
That's all for today. Let's take a moment together. Doing your best is the key to success. I choose excellence. I'm Carter.
I'm Kayla.
I'm Max.
And I'm Lily.
That's
That's Fiona.